Good morning mga idol. We're back with another video, and for today's video I'll be updating you with my Kransha farming setup. Okay, so simple lang but very stable. Hindi tayo every second nagbabawas ng potion, so relatively matagal tayo. And take note, level 80 pa lang yung sword and shield ko, so as I level up, makaka-earn pa tayo ng more points or weapon trait points to add up to the things or the skills. I mean the sword and shield traits nga pala. So iba kasi yung mga terminologies dito. Alright, so Hunter yung pinili ko kasi ito talaga yung I think very superior in terms of PvE. For my weapon traits, kumuha ako ng first skill or yung consecutive slash, and meron siyang debuff na ibibigay, which is 3 seconds na mag-increase yung damage received sa monster. And meron din siyang death power na 4. So, okay yun. Pwede rin naman ito kung medyo mas confident ka, okay lang. For confidence, endurance yung pinili natin. For extra kunat. Falling Sword for HP and MP recovery. Yung previous video ko, merong nagsasuggest na palitan ko raw yung ng pure magic potion. Well, based sa sa MP consumption ko, as of now hindi pa needed na palitan ng ito yung ibig nilang sabihin na ito daw yung gamitin ko as active skill, yung pure magic potion dito sa active para sa mana recovery. Well, with the help of this skill, yung Falling Sword Overcharge, meron akong 150 and 50 na MP recovery for 10 seconds, and that's gonna occur every 24.1 seconds. So, fairly good and fairly stable lang tayo, so I don't need to worry about that. I chose Sword of Constraint over Sacred Blow, and I'll explain later. Kasi dito sa Sword of Constraint, meron tayong additional 12 na defense power, and lahat naman sila single target lang, ibig sabihin isa lang yung napupull. But pinili ko yung mas longer yung range, which is ito yung pula, over this. Yan. And I don't need this one, the yellow one, because hindi siya PvE, PvP. I think restrain applies only to PvE kasi baka tumakbo yung kalaban. And for tactical command, of course, dito tayo sa yellow kasi meron na namang additional 16 na defense power and yung DRD na 3% and defense power na 80. So, this skill complements the confidence dito. Kasi yung confidence, for 90 seconds, magbibigay siya ng 6 na DRD and shield defense chance na 15%. Now, bakit di ko kinuha yung ultimate natin or yung Sacred Blow? Kasi mostly mga damage siya. Although ito, check natin, meron siyang DRD but that's 5 seconds and matakaw sa mana, 683. So I'd rather pick Sword of Constraint muna na merong 12 na defense power and decent amount of damage din naman, and faster cooldown, 22 seconds. So that's it for my trait or my build. Now punta tayo dito sa abilities ko. Since I said that I'm already committed to leveling my hunter, so I just got my 3rd master scroll. So yan, 3 na yung points ko. Meron na akong Sekreta na master, meron na akong Weapon of Darkness na master, and Leech na master. Yan. So far, yan. And I think I'm gonna pick ito, yung quick heal. Ito yung pipiliin ko na ipa-level 100. If not, ito. If not, kaso this is gonna take like a long time kasi dadaan pa siya sa 90 and then well, eventually mali-level din. The big problem is yung scrolls kasi yung nabibili natin sa shop dito wala. Yan, konti lang, di ba? 5 lang yung ano. Yan, so see it for yourself kung ano yung input nyo, kung ano yung masasabi nyo. But for now, I am happy, I am satisfied. Pag nakapag-farm na ako ng Wistige, yung goal ko kasi is dito sa when you come here, dito sa town, puntahan natin para ipakita ko sa inyo. Dito. So, dito kakabili ko lang. And that's how I got my extra Master Scroll. Dito, siya? 30,000 times 10, that's I think 300,000. So, the goal is to farm 300,000 per week at least. Diba? If you have other goals like this one, you can continue farming. Kaso, medyo may iba pa tayong ginagawa like doing with the alts and everything. So, yun yung goal ko, at least na makapag-farm man lang sa Kransha para at the end of the week or for every reset na nabibili natin yung 10 na purple na upgrade scrolls. Sorry kasi nalilito ako sa names, basta yung purple. Okay, so I guess yun lang. If you wanna see my stats, wait, i-pesto ko lang yung character ko. I always pick the one at the corner para medyo limited lang yung monsters. So if you wanna see my stats, ito siya. Dex and Luck STR, and then for attack 1.6, for accuracy 800, for defense power 1.5. Meron pa yung proc, but yeah, you get the point. And my damage to monster is 31, and my DRD from monster is 28.42. Okay, and mind you, I haven't changed my yung relic ko pala, napa 70 ko na yung Origin of Destruction, so it's time for me to work on my Barrier of Protection as well as Crystal of Life. I was talking about imprint pala. So yung imprint ko is pang crossbow ko pa. Yan. Pero ito, I think I'm just gonna stick with this. So far, ito lang yung pinaka the best na. Ito yung attack speed. Baka palitan ko pa rin yan kasi I don't need that much of attack speed sa sword and shield. Or if meron akong mapanood na guide about wait, hanap tayo ng better shield penetration, accuracy. Puro pa kasi pang crossbow yung ko dito eh. Ito na muna. Saan ba? Ito na muna. Puro pa kasi pang crossbow yung configuration ko sa imprint. But I'm gonna change that one. Kaso, medyo short tayo sa temporal piece. Alam niyo naman na pahirapan yun. Weapons, armors, ganun pa rin. Ito lang, bigay ito ni Boss Jibril. So, the way I thought about this, ganito lang. So, yung Serad Gators na plus 10, although wala siyang death power and DRD dito, 5% kasi yung bibigay niya sa monster, di ba? And kinompute ko na yung hanap tayo ng plate lower crunch. Wala pang crunch. Elsera. Yan. So, see for Elsera, ay, mas better pala dito. So, plate, tapos lower. Sa Elsera, yung Elsera na plus 6 is we're just gonna look at the melee defense, okay? So 144 plus 33, that's 177, okay? Ngayon, ganito lang ako kung paano ko siya inisip, and why I'm not yet changing this one. Kasi 177, this is equivalent to Elsera, right? So, compute natin in terms of melee defense, minus 124 minus 77. So, lamang pa rin, in terms of melee defense, lamang pa rin ito ng 24. And for me, that's enough na kasi meron din naman siyang DRD from monster na 5%. So, okay na ako dyan. Yan na muna. Kasi mahal and mahirap maghanap ng plus 10 na higher. Okay? So, yun lang. I hope I helped. And if merong nanonood na meron kayong maitulong sa akin to better my character, to better my farming. As of now, 19k na yung nafa-farm natin. And take note, the goal is 300k per week. So, I'm pretty confident na ma-achieve din naman natin yan. Basta hindi lang tayo guguluhin. Alright? Good morning sa ating lahat. Happy Sunday. Don't forget to go to church. Keep grinding.